Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 6 of the Cougar Connection. We had a great week, but a busy week at Simons Middle School last week. We had several athletic victories and also had our very first field trip of the year with the 6th grade going to the Storytelling Festival. Our week this week is going to be just as busy. We do have admin team meeting at 8 on Monday. Also, this week is Ag Education Week, so we have several activities going on for that week. On Monday, or tomorrow, we will dress in theme as nothing runs like a deer, so wear your best camouflage, or if you have your John Deere gear, then please wear that. We also have a principal's advisory meeting this week on Monday at 4, and we have a PD session with Gizmo from 3 to 4 o'clock. On Tuesday, it is happy birthday to Miss Highfield, so happy birthday, Miss Highfield. And then the theme for this day is Down on the Farm, so students and staff, please dress up as your favorite farm animal. Wednesday is Ag and Rural Safety Day here at Simons Middle School, so students, we will have some safety stations set up for you where you can learn a little bit about safety related to ag education and rural safety. And on Wednesday, our theme is Thank a Farmer Day, so please dress in your best farm attire. On Thursday, teachers, we do have T&I meeting for those of you who are on that committee. We also have some restraint training going on in the district, so social studies and Mulholland, you are part of that. And then on Thursday, the theme is truck or tractors, so wear blue for trucks or yellow for tractors. And then Friday, as always, is Bring It Friday, and it is the tractor parade. It does start at 1 o'clock, and students, we are going to try to get Kona Ice for you on that day. I will let you know a little bit more on Tuesday of this week. And then Green Monkeys are having their reward day on Friday before the tractor parade, and Wednesday is Miss Sarah B's birthday, so happy birthday, Miss Sarah B. This week, we want to take a moment to recognize our student spotlight. We have several students at the middle school who participate in the Fleming County High School bass fishing team. So shout out to Samuel Archer, Braxton Fields, Mason Hill, and Garrison Kinder. It says the Fleming County Panthers competed in stop number 2 on the KBF Trail Saturday, September 30th at Barren River Lake. Archer, McCann, and Hill brought a 2.5 pounder to the scales in the middle school division, and Braxton Fields and Garrison weighed a bass over 3 pounds. The final results will be uploaded later this week due to some computer and website issues, but we're really proud of these gentlemen. It looks like they had some great catches for the day. On to some community announcements. We did announce these in the connection, but these are the dress up theme days for this week for Ag Education Week. And also new to the connection, but is coming soon, we are going to bring back the SMS Powder Puff football. So we will have cheerleading and Powder Puff sign-ups. This will be for any Simons Middle School student. The game will be on October the 25th at 6 p.m. Students, if you want to sign up, it is $10, and that is any SMS student. So we will have opportunities for 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. Your permission slips and your money are due by Friday, October the 20th, so we can get your shirts ordered. And then we will have the football game that's going to be on the 25th starting at 6 p.m. It will be $5 admission for all adults, and our students will be free. We will have concessions that are going to be sold at the game, and there will be several games played on that evening. Also upcoming and new to the Cougar Connection, we do have Winter Formal that is going to be on December the 9th from 6:30 to 8:30. So please make sure that you mark your calendars. And if you haven't done so already, students, please make sure that you take a moment to sign up for the Washington, D.C. trip if you're an 8th grader and you are interested in participating. And also don't forget that our Library Media Center is selling banners. We do have vinyl banners and we do have posters in full color. So if you're interested in purchasing something like that, you can get in contact with Miss Amy Wagner by calling the school at 606-845-9331, or you can email Miss Wagner at amy.wagner@fleming.kyschools.us. Also, Kentucky Night at the Museum. This is our 7th grade trip for this year. We do still have a few spots open, and the travel company is going to give us a little bit of grace. We do not have to have everyone completely ready and signed up until Thursday. We are also opening that trip up to parents because we do still have a few seats left. So parents, if you're interested, please go ahead and sign up for Kentucky Night at the Museum. This is going to be a great trip for our students. And we do have a 6th grade trip that is coming soon. 6th graders, we will fill you in on that as soon as the postcard and materials arrive. Also, don't forget about the RADA fundraiser, and students, this will be the last week to order. Well, it won't be the last week, but you do need to get your Bring It order forms in because we are going to place an order this week, and the next order will not go out until Thanksgiving break. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.